So I thought the DJI Neo would be the perfect drone for indoor shoots. Small, smart, beginner friendly, but after flying it around the spaces, I was wrong. And the drone that actually handled it better totally surprised me. I'm not a total beginner anymore, but I still consider myself a learning FPV pilot. I picked the DJI Neo expecting to make indoor flight very simple, especially for a commercial and residential shoots where spaces are tight. But when I tested it against the little Pavo Pico, things didn't go the way I expected it. This is a test. I'm gonna fly the drone here around home. Okay, this test should be very, very simple. Now let's see how both drones handle this test. First, the DJI Neo. Right away, out of the box, the setup was very easy and simple. Flying it in FPV mode, the sensors were oversensitive. The stabilization fought against my turns, and every time I got close to the wall or near objects, I didn't feel confident. I wanted to make it simple, but it actually made me second guess the way how I fly FPV drones. Then I switched to the Pavo Pico, which honestly I thought it was going to disappoint me. The moment that I took off with it, it felt just right. This drone is lighter, smaller, it doesn't fight you with all those micro moves that you're trying to make. I was flying it through the doorways around myself, and honestly, I was very confident flying it. The control felt personal, not robotic. It reminded me why I started flying FPV in the first place. The raw control that you have and the freedom over your drone, you can't fake it. Here's what stood out in the head-to-head test. The control I had for every move I made, the Pavo Pico wings. The DJI Neo felt very robotic and restricted by its sensors. Camera quality, Pavo Pico wings on this one. I was using the DJI O3 Air Unit, which has a 1/1.7 inch sensor, crisp and stable. The DJI Neo is using a 1/2 inch sensor. The confidence level, I felt very confident flying the Pavo Pico all over around our place, around myself, so it wins on this one. And the setup and ease, the DJI Neo wins. I think what this really showed me is that specs don't always equal experience. The DJI Neo is an amazing piece of technology, but it's not the indoor FPV solution I hope for. And sometimes the simpler, older drone outperform the new one in the real world. For indoor shoot, I still pick the Pavo Pico. If you're a beginner and are developing your FPV indoor skills, I would skip the hype and go with what gives you more confidence. And if you want to see more real world FPV tests like this, hit the like button, subscribe. I got some more honest reviews and flying experiments coming soon. Signing out, ciao.